What's up, everyone? It's Scott Wertanen. Just want to leave you guys a little video today on just reflecting on this month and some of the things that I think if you're a potential buyer out there or looking to refinance a home, or you're a realtor and you have clients and you're trying to figure out, which mortgage lender should I work with, and who do I trust? And one of the things that I found is the ability to problem solve, right? Like, the goal is, in our world, is to do as much legwork for you or for your clients up front, right? When you go through the pre-approval process, we're trying to answer as many questions as we can to deliver certainty, to say, if you buy a house, we've already, done our due diligence. We've basically underwritten the loan and go out there and buy something with confidence. But here's the thing: is people are people, right? Like, this is a human process and things change. So I had a first-time home buyer, just bought a house today, and super excited to help him out. We've been talking for a few months, and the reality is things change in his life between when we got him pre-approved a few months ago until he put an offer on the house. And he knew it changed. He called me up and said, "Hey, I've had some life change, some things change in my life, and I'm concerned. I think this is going to be a problem." And here's the reality: is I was concerned too. And so what did we do? Number one, I told him, "Hey, I'm worried. This makes me nervous. It's going to be really, really, really close." And then also we communicated with his permission, without any personal details, but we communicated with parties involved to say, "Hey, this deal is going to come together last minute, and we're going to need everyone's involvement to make sure that it works out." So me, as the mortgage lender, I've spent the last 4 weeks very stressed and thinking about it a lot, and carrying that home, at home with me at night. And that's what good loan officers, mortgage bankers, whatever you want to call us, that's what the good ones should do. Is we should care enough to have some stress in the game. But here's the reality: is what did we do to make sure that it was successful? So we did really 3 things. We communicated, make sure everyone involved knew what was going on. Set expectations on what needs to happen, when it needs to happen, how it needs to happen, right? There's documents that we need to have provided. There's things that we need to do and timelines that need to follow. So we have to communicate it, and we have to make sure that everyone is on the same page with the goal. This stupid bug is trying to ruin my video. And then here's the last thing: is that we had to be diligent along the way, and that we had to make sure that we were on track, that we were getting documents in time, and we were doing everything that we said we would do and that everyone else was supposed to do. And guess what? As you have human beings involved, from realtors to sellers to title companies to underwriters, it doesn't go perfect. So someone like me needs to be here and needs to make sure that when people aren't doing what they're supposed to do when they're supposed to do it, that we can lead them and we can explain to them what we need, why we need it, and how we got to get it done. So if you're out there looking for someone, it doesn't matter if it's a purchase, if it's a home equity loan, if it's a client of yours, and you're looking for someone to not only proactively make sure that things are good, but also reactively solve problems when they come up, that's the true superpower of someone who's good at this thing. So if I can help you all with anything, let me know. You can go to honestrate.com. You can send me a DM. If you're watching this, you probably know me close enough that you can text me, but reach out. I'm happy to help, always happy to be a resource. And if that turns into us helping you with a loan, great. If that just turns into you having some questions on, hey, can this be done? Can we solve this problem? We've been doing this a long time, so happy to help you, be a resource. Have a good night. See y'all soon.